welcome to Python Psycho. This is going to be the first lecture of Python Beginner series, and today we are going to know the setup of Python. First of all, open Chrome, search for Ideally Python, click on Download Python, go in the Download section and click on Download Python, whatever the latest version is. After that, click on the download icon. Here it will take a few seconds to download. So the download is completed. Now we will click on the file folder and double click. So I will click on install now. Alright, so the setup was successful. Now you can enter ideally Python in search bar, and yes, you can now see it is downloaded. In next lecture, we will learn about the data types in Python, and I will also give the link for ideally Python in the description.